from 1 to 10 of Senator Win.
Wow, ang dami niyang sinabi. It was full of details. In fact, I was taking notes. One thing for sure, no, may message na po ako. Ready na siya magtrabaho. Ready na siya sa mga plano. And everyone should buckle down and work. Especially sa legislative. No? Kasi talagang very detailed yung legislative agenda ng ating Pangulo. So, message na po ako, handa na siya magtrabaho at may plano na para malampasan natin itong nakikita natin ngayon.
Sir, may mention siya about nuclear energy na i-consider natin. Do you think we're ready for this?
We need to study this very carefully. Pag titignan natin yung sentiment sa nuclear energy right now, nagpapalit. Especially with the Ukraine invasion, marami sa mga bansa in-extend the nuclear power plants nila. Japan, Korea, Taiwan, sa EU, kinonsider na nila ito as part of their renewable agenda. In UK, gano'n din. So nagbago yung ihip ng hangin because of Russia. But having said that, we still need to be very careful and study it carefully because siyempre iba ang setting ng Pilipinas.
Sir, sa on the part of the Department of Education na sinabi ng Presidente, face-to-face classes at all of these, do you support it?
Kailangan na tayo mag-face-to-face classes talaga. Taga 2 years na sarado yung ating eskwelahan and we need to go back because yung mga estudyante natin hirap na hirap matuto sa kanilang tahanan. On ROTC, I filed my own bill on ROTC. In fact, I'll be releasing a survey. Almost 70% ng ating constituents gusto ibalik in ROTC sa grades 11 and 12. I'll release that later on. So the public sentiment is there. But more importantly, ROTC kasi nagtuturo ng disiplina, love for country, and also additional skills for our students.
Ano yung dapat na i-amend dun sa before natin? Kasi natin, diba, may generation.
Hindi tayo babalik sa dating ROTC. Hindi lang yung naubos yung oras sa marcha, naubos na bibilag lang sa araw. Importante dito yung values, discipline, additional skills, and love for country.
Sir, doon sa sinasabi niya, no lockdown policy, do you support that?
Yes, of course. No? Nakita naman natin in 2 years na open-close, detrimental for our economy. Marami nawalan ng trabaho, maraming negosyo nagsara. It's important that we push booster shots. And rinig ko yan kanina several times. So, dapat idiin yan ng mas madiin pa in this coming few months because that's our only weapon against COVID-19.
Ano yun, the second or we should go for third,
In fact,
fourth?
I'm not a doctor, pero if you ask me, dapat i-allow na yung second booster shots. Dahil matagal-tagal na rin the first January pa. So let's allow it already. Some other countries are allowing it already to the general public. So pag-aralan mabuti ng mga doctors and scientists natin to because this is our only weapon not to go back to the lockdown strategy.
Sir, doon sa 19 na sinabi ng Pangulo, meron ka bang inasahan na hindi masasabi mo?
Sa 19 bills? Ako, marami na yung 19. That will keep us busy for the next 3 years. Pero yung kanina, nakita natin na punong-puno ng detalye, punong-puno ng ways forward. Hindi ito puro general statements. No? Ito talagang mayroong mga detalye kung paano i-address yung mga iba't ibang problema natin, especially in agriculture. The President spent a lot of time in agriculture. And ang nakikita ko dito, fully support the agrarian reform para yung mga farmers natin will be empowered to go back and incentivize agriculture.
Sir, one last na lang. Doon sa sinasabi niya, hindi niya ipamimigay ang anumang teritoryo ng Pilipinas.
That's also a very strong statement. Dahil maraming nag-speculate kung ano yung kanyang foreign policy. That is our guiding foreign policy na hindi na ibibigay an inch of our territory. Importante yan because that will set the tone on his foreign policy for the next 6 years and also to us. No? The Senate is a co-equal when it comes to foreign policy. So that will set the tone for the Senate and also for the executive branch.
Alright, thank you.
Alright, thank you.